Trojan War is one of the most discussed mythological stories, but is it false? The general understanding is from Homer's epics, the Odyssey and the Iliad, but many modern and ancient scholars disputed the accuracy. Homer is not a historian. First of all, he is a poet. What he relates is not history but myth. That was Trevor R. Bryce in 2002. Throughout the entries of this diary, I will come to my own conclusion about the genuineness of his writings and the existence of the Trojan War itself. I'll mainly be focusing on scholarly sources for my research, namely a few of these are Susan Woodford, Carl Began, and Trevor R. Bryce. These are a mixture of books and journals from various perspectives and viewpoints, and are giving me a good understanding so far of the topic. Some of the sources could be considered outdated. Began was active in the 1930s, for example, but much of it is from very respected scholars, and is still in discussion recently as some of the leading research. The view enunciated by Carl Began still attracts much support. Again, that was Bryce. Literature and archaeology are some of the leading angles of this, with both contributing to either side of the argument. I at first wasn't sure which avenue of mythology to pursue, whether to do a topic I know well, or choose a new topic and expand my horizons. I decided to choose an area that I understood, but a topic and question I hadn't considered before. I had generally believed the story of Homer's myth as the myth, and not considered the existence of Troy as much importance before. I changed my mind after I investigated the British Museum's website to try and get ideas, and saw that they are doing an exhibition on Troy called Myth and Reality, starting November 21st. The name of this had me thinking about a question for days, and after a lot of deliberation I came to the title of this diary. On the exhibit's website it says, "You can also examine the fascinating archaeological evidence that proves there was a real Troy, and offers tantalizing hints of the truth behind the mythical stories." Why is a widely recognized myth still attracting attention, from the British Museum of all places, as a possibly true story? I would definitely be going to this exhibit, as it could prove invaluable.